Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a contact group in your Outlook. Contact group is a kind of a folder, if you will, that you can create and add a group of emails in it so that whenever you want to send out email to this group of people, instead of typing in their email addresses one after the other, you can just pick that group name and send the email to. To do that, all you need to do is in your Outlook, click on this icon here called People. Let's click on it. Now let's create a new contact, but instead of creating a new contact, go on and choose this drop down box and choose New Contact List, because we are going to create a list of people. To do that, what we can do, let's give the group a name. Let's call it Project 1. That's the name of this group. So whenever we want to send email to all the people in this group, we can just pick the contact list called Project 1. Now we can go on and add our email addresses of the group members. I've added one email. Let me go on, let's say another email. Okay, because this is not wait, let me try a real email address. You see, so it's highlighted here. We can go on and click add. So you can go on and add as many email addresses as you wish. If you want, you can add some description to the email group, or rather to the contact list. When you are done, you can go on and click on create. Our contact list has been created. Now let's go back to our email and compose a new email. So this email, we want to send it to the group called Project 1. You see, I just typed the letter P and the name comes up. You click on it and we can write them email and go on and send. That's how you can create an email a contact list in your Outlook. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share.